representing the United States in Cuba. Okay, so that's a chat. We're 82 guerrilla men, the one coming inside that chat. So in front of us, with a beautiful view, we have the Capitol building. We already watched from the other side. So we are arriving at the Central Park. The Central Park is the place between the colonial section and the neo-colonial one, precisely in the middle, the Central Park. That's the name, Central Park. Beautiful area we have here. Nice collection of the vintage cars some of you loved. So watch, we have different hotels like Plaza 1928, Iberostar Central Park. Beautiful hotel, this one we have to the right. Hotel Telegrafo in front of us, one of the emblematic hotels of Havana to England or Inglaterra Hotel. So those are the places considered some of the oldest. In this place, symbol of a republic or neo-colonial Havana. That's a beautiful area we have here. That's like people say like Villa Havana, you know. So we have a boulevard, Bishop Street.